Learning a new language, especially English, is not just about memorizing words or studying grammar rules. It is about building a new skill that can change the way you connect with the world. Many learners start with excitement, but soon face feelings of doubt, shyness, or even fear of making mistakes. These feelings are completely natural, yet they often prevent learners from reaching their full potential. To overcome them, it is important to understand that learning English is not a quick race, but a gradual journey where progress comes step by step and confidence grows with practice. The very first thing to remember is that learning English begins with your mindset. Confidence is not something that arrives fully formed, it is built through small, consistent actions. When you speak English, do not wait for the perfect sentence in your head. Instead, focus on expressing your idea as clearly as possible, even if the grammar or pronunciation is not perfect. Every attempt you make is practice, and every practice builds your fluency. In fact, mistakes are not signs of failure. They're proof that you are trying. A child does not walk perfectly the first time they stand up, but with each attempt, they get stronger. Language learning works the same way. Another powerful principle is starting small. Many learners try to tackle difficult vocabulary lists or advanced grammar too early and quickly become frustrated. Instead, begin with simple sentences that you can actually use in daily life. For example, practice introducing yourself, asking basic questions, or describing common things around you. Once you're comfortable, expand little by little. This creates momentum. Just like climbing a mountain, you do not jump to the top in one step. You take steady steps forward, and before you know it, you are much higher than when you began. The key is progress, not perfection. To make English learning easier, you need to bring it into your daily routine. Treat it as a habit, not a special event. Think of it like brushing your teeth. You do it every day without questioning. The same should apply to English practice. Listen to a short English podcast while walking, read a simple article online, or write a few sentences in English about your day. These daily moments accumulate, and soon English will feel more natural, like a part of your life, rather than a difficult subject. Consistency is more powerful than intensity. Studying for 10 minutes every day is often more effective than studying for 3 hours once a week. Immersion also plays a big role. You do not need to live in an English-speaking country to surround yourself with the language. Technology has brought the English-speaking world to your fingertips. Watch movies, listen to songs, or follow English-speaking YouTube channels. Pay attention to how words are used in real conversations. Even if you do not understand every word, your brain is still absorbing patterns, rhythms, and expressions. Over time, your listening skills will improve, and you will naturally pick up phrases that you can use in speaking. This is the same way children learn their first language. They listen before they speak. When it comes to speaking, practice is essential. Many learners wait until they feel ready before speaking English. But the truth is, waiting will only delay your progress. You become ready by speaking. If you do not have a partner, you can still practice by speaking out loud to yourself. Describe what you are doing. Repeat lines you hear in movies, or answer questions you imagine someone asking. Your tongue and mouth muscles need training to get comfortable with English sounds. Just as a musician practices scales to play fluently, you must practice speaking to develop fluency. It may feel strange at first, but it is one of the fastest ways to build confidence. Reading and writing are also important tools that strengthen your language ability. Reading exposes you to new vocabulary and grammar structures in context, which helps you understand how they are used naturally. Choose materials that are slightly above your level, so you are challenged but not overwhelmed. Writing, on the other hand, allows you to slow down and think carefully about how you express your ideas. Start small by keeping a simple English journal where you write a few sentences about your day. Over time, increase the length and complexity. Writing helps organize your thoughts and improves accuracy, which supports your speaking skills. One challenge many learners face is comparing themselves to others. It's easy to feel discouraged when you see someone speaking more fluently or learning faster. But remember, everyone's journey is different. Some people may have more time, more resources, or previous experience that helps them progress quickly.
Instead of comparing yourself to them, compare yourself to who you were yesterday. Ask yourself, can I say something today that I could not say last week? Can I understand more now than I did a month ago? These small signs of growth are the true measure of success. Language learning is personal, and your only real competition is with your past self.
Patience is another quality you must develop. Language learning does not happen overnight. It is like planting a seed. You water it every day, give it sunlight, and wait. At first, nothing seems to change, but underground, the roots are growing. Then, one day, the plant breaks through the soil. English learning is the same. Your effort may not show immediate results, but deep inside your brain, connections are being formed. One day, you will suddenly realize that you understood a whole sentence without translating, or you answered in English without hesitation. These breakthroughs will surprise you, but they are the result of your steady, patient practice. A helpful strategy is setting clear and realistic goals. Vague goals like, I want to speak English fluently, can feel overwhelming because they have no clear finish line. Instead, set small goals, such as, I will learn 5 new words today, or I will watch 1 English video this week and repeat 3 sentences from it. These smaller targets are achievable and motivating. Each time you reach one, you feel progress, and this motivates you to keep going. Over time, these small goals add up to big achievements. Along the way, remember to celebrate your progress. Many learners focus only on what they cannot do and forget to notice how far they have come. If you manage to have a short conversation in English, that is a victory. If you understood a new phrase in a movie, celebrate it. Recognizing progress boosts your confidence and makes the journey enjoyable. Learning a language is not just about reaching a destination, it is also about appreciating the process. Finally, never let fear of mistakes hold you back. Mistakes are not obstacles, they are teachers. Every time you use the wrong word or mispronounce something, you are learning. The more mistakes you make, the faster you improve. Think of mistakes as stepping stones on the path to fluency. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes, and yet communication continues. What matters most is not perfection, but the courage to express yourself. Over time, your accuracy will improve naturally through practice and correction. In the end, learning English is a journey of growth. It requires confidence, patience, practice, and consistency. It asks you to start small, embrace mistakes, and build habits that bring English into your daily life. It is not about talent or luck, it's about persistence. If you keep moving forward, step by step, you will look back one day and realize how far you have come. English will no longer feel like a foreign subject, but like a natural part of your world. And that is the true reward, the ability to connect, to understand, and to express yourself freely in a language that opens doors to countless opportunities. So, take a deep breath, trust the process, and continue practicing. Every word you speak, every sentence you write, and every moment you spend listening or reading brings you closer to fluency. Remember, the journey may be long, but it is possible for anyone who chooses to stay consistent. English is not just a language you learn, it's a skill you build, and with dedication, it will become a powerful tool that transforms your life.